The Carrington Event, the solar storm that sends us back to the Stone Age. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, reaching for your phone, and finding it dead. You flip the light switch. Nothing. You look outside, and the entire city is dark. No internet, no running water, no GPS. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It is a very real threat from our own star. It's happened before, and scientists agree it will happen again. We're talking about the Carrington Event, a solar storm so massive that if it hit us today, it could send modern civilization back to the Stone Age. To understand the danger, we have to go back to the morning of September 1st, 1859. An English amateur astronomer named Richard Carrington was projecting an image of the sun through his telescope. Suddenly, he saw two patches of intensely bright white light erupting from a cluster of sunspots. He didn't know it yet, but he had just witnessed the largest solar flare in recorded history. Within hours, the effects hit Earth. But in 1859, we didn't have a power grid. We had telegraphs. Across the world, telegraph systems went haywire. Operators reported sparks flying from their machines, shocking them and setting papers on fire. Some could even unplug their batteries and send messages using only the electrical current surging through the air from the storm. What Carrington saw was a coronal mass ejection, or CME. Think of it as a cannonball of billions of tons of magnetized plasma shot directly at Earth. When this solar tsunami slams into our planet's magnetic shield, it dumps massive amounts of energy into our atmosphere. In 1859, this created auroras so bright that gold miners in the Rocky Mountains woke up at 1 a.m. and started making breakfast, thinking it was morning. The telegraphs of 1859 survived, but today our world is built on fragile electronics. If a Carrington-class storm hit right now, the results would be cataclysmic. The surge would melt the copper windings inside giant transformers that form the backbone of our power grid. These aren't parts you can just buy at a hardware store. They take months or years to manufacture. We could be looking at a global blackout lasting not days, but years. Satellites would be fried, wiping out GPS, banking transactions, and global communications. We call this the Internet apocalypse. No supply chains, no food delivery, no refrigeration. The economic cost is estimated at over $2 trillion in the first year alone. We narrowly missed a storm of this magnitude in 2012 by just 9 days. The sun is a ticking clock, and eventually the alarm will go off. The question isn't if the lights will go out, it's whether we'll be ready when they do.